Most people think you need the shady websites to download an older version of Minecraft. Please note that Minecraft already includes every old version inside the official launcher. Before proceeding, make sure you have liked and subscribed ITPK and let's get started. Make sure you have downloaded and installed the official Microsoft launcher, either from the Minecraft website or the Microsoft Store. Please note that don't use any third-party websites. The official launcher already includes every version safely and legally. Once you are all set with Microsoft Launcher in your laptop or computer, make sure you are signed in with your Microsoft account. And here we want to go to Minecraft Java Edition. Then go to Installation tab. Now here on the left side, you will be able to see New Installation. Here you could give it a name you want, but first let's go to the Version tab. If you click here, you will see all the old available version for your Minecraft. Let's scroll down and here I want to select the release 1.9.4. Now let's go ahead and give it a name. I want to name it 1.9 release. Now you could mention your game directory here, the resolution, and some more options are here. For now, just go ahead and click on install. Accept the agreement and click on play. Now you see it started downloading my required version. It depends upon your internet speed, so you have to wait a while here. And here we are. Once the older version download is completed, you will be able to start playing Minecraft. So that's it about today's quick video on how to download an older version of Minecraft. Thanks for watching ITPK. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next one.